To our post-match press conference, congratulations to the UE Red Warriors for beating the De La Salle Green Spikers in straight sets. We have Coach Jambo Di Maculangan, Rakim Aceron, and RG Pio. Coach, congratulations for this win. Ano masasabi niyo sa pinakita ng team? Wala na kayong hinahabol except na makakuha pa ng mga panalo. Your thoughts?
We were short of our main goal, which is to enter the Final Four. But we didn't stop na mag-ensayo pa rin na maayos, to focus ourselves na to get and win games. Kasi it's a character building for the team. Sabi ko nga before, bata pa rin naman kami. Especially these two, second year. So we needed na makakuha ng win para to gain more confidence na magagamit pa namin. May isang game pa naman. But magagamit namin siya in the coming years. Kanina, it might be parang nagko-commit na kami na madaming errors. We were leading by as much as I think 8 points. Pero hinayaan kasi namin na mahabol kami. So, yun nga, yung sinasabi namin sa kanila, kumalma lang because nagmamadali na parang gusto na agad kasi nila matapos. Siguro they get too excited. So, itong game na to, parang kahit papaano, yung lessons na dapat maging compose lang and hindi mamadaliin yung mga bagay-bagay. But it's a straight set win. Ito yung first namin na nanalo ng in straight sets. So, we feel very happy kasi kami naman na coaches and yung players, every day we work talaga na 100% and sometimes sobra. But sabi ko nga, kailangan namin yun eh. Our players are not that tall. So kailangan maging masipag pa rin kami. And yun, we're very happy with the result.
Thank you, Coach Jambo Turoy. 12 attacks, 2 blocks, 6 exceptions, and 4 digs. So yun nga, talagang is this a sign na ito na yung pagbabago ng culture ng Red Warriors men's volleyball team na maging competitive after many seasons na hirap na hirap? Roy, what can you say? Ito na yung start, kumbaga, ng pagpapalit ng culture ng Red Warriors men's volleyball team. Do you think ito na yung simula?
Ito na po yung simula namin kasi sa una po, panalo po. Tapos, taas po ng kumpiyansa namin. Yan lang po.
Thank you. And lastly to our best player, Rakim, 17 of 37 attacks, 2 blocks, 3 digs, and 22 exceptions. So yung nga, nakatatlong panalo na kayo this season and you have still one more match to be played. So ano yung masasabi mo na yung nga, last year kasi, hindi kayo nakakuha na panalo, pero this time around, nakakuha kayo ng ganito karaming panalo para maboost ang kumpiyansa nyo. Ano masasabi mo?
Siyempre po, first, yun nga po, we're very happy po sa result ng laro kasi ayun nga po yung pinagtatrabahuhan namin each day. And yung last season po, talagang, ayun po yung pinaka naging motivation ko sa sarili ko na kailangan na po naming baguhin kung paano kami nakilala ng tao. And ngayon po, nagsimula na po kami and hindi naman po kami titigil dito lang. Patuloy po kaming mag-strive para mas sumangat pa po kami.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Sa players, ayun nga, last season, rookie year nyo, pero kayo na rin yung nag-lead ng UE in terms of scoring. Siguro gano'n lang ka-special na nagagawa nyo na ulit ngayon, especially with Roy missing the first round.
Ngayon po, kumbaga mas naging magaan po kasi yung trabaho for me since nandito na po si Roy. And syempre, very happy po na for the next coming years, magsasama-sama po kami. So, patuloy lang po namin i-build and i-work on kung ano po yung meron kami ngayon.
Ako po, sobrang saya po kasi bumalik po ako ng second round kasi galing po ako injury tapos kompleto na kami. Trabaho lang ulit po. Yun.
Coach, gano'n lang ka-special itong dalawa. Yun nga, second year pa lang sa kaya.
Gano'n ka special? Ito kasing si Rakim, when we first he first arrived sa UE, senior high school pa lang siya. So as early as his grade 12 year, he's training with the men's team na. So parang, I think during that time, he was about to quit na volleyball. And then parang isinama lang siya nung isa namin dating player na, coach, may player dito, friend ko. So when he started training with us, so siya yung nakakita noong sabihin natin ups and downs talaga ng team. That's why each and every day talaga pag nasa training, isa siya sa very vocal, although second year pa lang siya. Pero vocal na siya kasi naiintindihan niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa team and kung paano namin siya iaangat. So kumbaga, yung pagiging aligned niya with the vision and goal ng coaches, nakuha niya na. Ito naman si Roy, I think it's by accident lang. He was referred to me by my kumare, who's from Iloilo, na sinabi niya, oy, may player dito, baka gusto mo. So sabi ko naman sa kanya, sige, tignan natin. And then, si Roy kasi hindi siya nagre-reply during that time. Hindi po talaga kasi siya nagre-reply. So ako parang, interesado ba yung bata? So I kept following up lang dun sa kumare ko. And then parang one day, sinabi lang na, sige, nag-reply siya, pero ang sinagot niya sa akin, pakikausap na lang po yung mami ko. Kasi hindi po ako marunong mag-Tagalog. So, binigay lang yung Facebook ng mother. Ang mother niya kasi is working abroad. So, from there, dun ko lang siya na parang clueless. I think parang clueless yung mother niya na, ano pong gagawin ni Roy dyan sa Manila? Bakit po siya mapapalayo sa amin? Kasi, bata pa kasi siya eh. So parang first time sa family na may malalayo. So parang tinatanong, ano pong gagawin ni Roy? So I explained everything na maglalaro po siya dito, we'll give him scholarship, we'll give him yung basic. Kasi sa UE po, basic lang po talaga. Meron kami scholarship, dorm, and allowance. No pluses na po. So, ayun. And then, I thought hindi na po kasi tutuloy si Roy sa amin kasi nga parang nag-aalangan. And then parang binalikan lang. So, etong dalawang to, sabihin ko, I think it's destiny na napunta sila na UE. And then last year, parang, sige, rookie. Pero it doesn't mean na they cannot deliver. So as early as last year, talagang sina-challenge na namin sila. You have to carry the load. Kasi kayo yung magdadala talaga sa team. So, ano lang, special because they accepted the challenge na maging taga-bit-bit or taga-buhat ng team. And at the same time, yung humility nila, hindi naman lumalaki yung ulo nila. Kasi we always tell them na hindi dapat kayo nasa-satisfy na hanggang dito lang. And if you're performing na, ang sinasabi ko na challenge na sa kanila this year is parang, last year you're performing good. Individual. And this is a team sport. So this year, ang challenge ko sa kanila is how they will uplift naman their other teammates. Parang kailangan magkakatulong, kailangan hindi lang silang dalawa. So yun naman yung, that's why they're very special. Ayun po.
Coach, parang marami kasing talk about the future or the next season, especially now na hindi na kayo makakahabol ng Final Four. Pero gano'n kasaya na lang kayo na yung, kumbaga yung UE na dumating na yun is a UE team that really wanted to win pa rin regardless kung kumbaga wala na yung goal dyan eh. Pero yun nga, parang ano na lang nasasabi doon sa character po ng mga players niya.
Ayun, sabi like what I've said earlier, we may have missed our ultimate goal, but we always set short-term and long-term goal. If we're not able to get na Final Four, so get as many games as possible. Not to satisfy yung audience or others, but to satisfy muna yung sarili namin na gusto ko kasi yan, kaya nakuha ko. So, kahit na nalaman na namin kasi medyo malayo eh. Nung nakikita namin na medyo mahirap na to enter the Final Four, sa training, hindi naman kami tumigil. Nothing has changed with our mindset. Nothing has changed on how we work. In fact, mas nagdo-double time pa nga. Kasi nawala na yung pressure to enter the Final Four. And hindi na rin naman nila pinipressure yung sarili nila to win those games. Kasi baka pwede, one of the reasons kung bakit may mga games na maayos kami, first set, against the stronger teams, pero nawawala kami is maybe because nape-pressure na rin sila to close it, to win it. And pag pumasok na lalo yung pressure, lalo silang nawawala. So, ayun, with the future, this team will still be intact. Kami, yung team namin, yung sa men's team, you will still see the same faces for next year. Wala pa naman kasing gagraduate because ito yung mga bata eh. So from karamihan are rookies and sophomores. Third year, we have like three, parang three lang naman yung third year, and then isa lang din naman yung fourth year namin ngayon. So I would say this will be good for the UE men's volleyball team in the coming years. Madagdagan lang ng materyales, and then ma-share pa namin or maka-adapt doon sa gusto namin sistema, yung mga papasok, and then yung etong mga to, they will know what to do. So, mas magiging magaan din yung trabaho. If kami yung coaches pa rin, mas magiging magaan pa naman yung trabaho. Kasi, katulong na namin sila. Hindi na yung dalawa lang kaming coach na training every day. So, yun. We're satisfied on how they played today.
Congratulations, Coach Jumbo, Roy, and Lakim. See you in the next match. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.